Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a resignation letter for teacher. What is a resignation letter for teacher? A teaching resignation letter is a formal letter written by a teacher to their employer, typically a school or educational institution, to announce their intention to resign from their teaching position. This letter serves as a professional and courteous way to inform the school administration or relevant authorities of the teacher's decision to leave their teaching job. The resignation letter should include key details such as the effective date of resignation, reasons for resigning, and a willingness to assist with the transition, among other relevant information. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a resignation letter for teacher step by step. Check this out. First of all, you will need to write your information. Yes, write your full name. Under it, write your home address. It is necessary that you include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient. You must write the full name. And write the occupation in the institution, like principal, headmaster, or so on. And write also the name of the school or institution. For example, the letter here is addressed to Minerva McGonagall in Hogwarts School of Minecraft and Wizardry. And then, write the address of the school. Mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing the information, you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can start to express your gratitude. And state also your intentions in this paragraph. Of course, you have to write it clearly that you want to resign. And you must write the date, when it is. For example, you can write, "I am writing to formally announce my resignation from my position as biology teacher at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, effective December 8, 2023, which will be my last working day." Writing the date is really a must here for the sake of clarity. In the second paragraph, express your appreciation for the time you've spent at the school and your intention to resign. You should keep it positive and professional. In this example, the writer stated, "I have thoroughly enjoyed my time at Hogwarts, and have had the privilege of working with dedicated colleagues and talented students." And then, tell the recipient the reasons for your resignation. Indeed, this is optional. If you wish, you can briefly mention your reasons for resigning. However, it's not always necessary to include this information. And for example, you can write, "However, after careful consideration, I have decided to pursue a new opportunity that aligns with my long-term career goals and personal aspirations." You don't have to mention the specific reason here. It is okay to write it that way. In the third paragraph, offer to assist with transition. Here, you should offer to assist with the transition process. For example, you can write, "I am committed to ensuring a smooth transition during my notice period." And you can also mention your willingness to help. They can be to help find a suitable replacement, prepare handover materials, and complete pending tasks. For example, you can write something like, "I am more than willing to assist in finding a suitable replacement, preparing necessary handover materials, and completing any pending tasks to the best of my ability." This is necessary since it is a part of your job and you cannot leave without helping anything for the transition. In the fourth paragraph, this is where you can express gratitude again. Here, you should thank your principal, colleagues, and the school community for the support and experiences you've had during your tenure. For example, the writer here wrote, "I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for the support, mentorship, and camaraderie I have experienced during my time here. I will always cherish the memories and relationships I have built at Hogwarts." In the fifth paragraph, this is for closing. Thank the recipient for their understanding. For example is, "Thank you for understanding my decision." And you can also write your hope for the school. For example is, "I hope that Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry continues to thrive and excel in the future." And finally, you can simply end the letter with a polite closing, such as, "Sincerely," followed by your signature. And write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a teacher resignation letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.